Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and installing what's necessary. Sign into the Zoom desktop app, then open Zoom settings and enable Calendar or Outlook integration. This lets Zoom talk to Outlook. Next, open Outlook and add the Zoom add-in from Microsoft AppSource or the Add-ins menu. Install it to your mailbox. Once done, restart Outlook to let the add-in register. These steps make the integration possible. Make sure the same email is used in both Zoom and Outlook for smooth linking. Now you connect and configure. In Outlook, click the Zoom add-in button on the ribbon and choose Authorize or Sign In. Grant Zoom permission to read and write calendar events so meetings sync both ways. Once authorized, use the Zoom button to schedule. Enter title, time, attendees, then add Zoom meeting details automatically to the invite. Make sure to set defaults like passcode, waiting room, and host video. This ensures meeting security and predictable behavior for all participants. Finish by sending a test meeting invite to yourself and verifying the Zoom link and join details appear in the Outlook calendar event. If items don't sync, make sure the Zoom and Outlook accounts use the same email, then reauthorize the add-in in Outlook. A reliable troubleshooting step is to sign out of both Zoom and Outlook. Clear the Outlook cache or restart the client, and sign back in, then re-enable the add-in. This often resolves permission or token issues without changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.